Do you know that AI is growing really fast these days? It's expected to keep growing at nearly 40% every year. But here's the thing, this rapid AI growth is causing job losses worldwide. McKinsey says that AI might take away a massive 400 million jobs. Pretty scary? But hold on, it's not all bad news. With this new technology come new opportunities. New ways to make money are popping up everywhere. But here's the catch, if you don't jump on these opportunities fast, someone else will. Join me in this video as I share with you 5 AI-driven business ideas that you can begin right away. If you overlook these opportunities, you might regret it for the rest of your life. Number 1, AI-generated art. With AI, you can make beautiful art and designs without even picking up a paintbrush. It's as simple as giving a command. Of course, you'll still need to know what kind of art or design you want and how you plan to use it. But overall, it's a pretty straightforward process. AI-generated art and design come in various forms including paintings, logos, album covers, digital illustrations, memes, photorealistic images, textile patterns, 3D models, and many more. There are plenty of AI art generators to choose from, but some of the most popular ones include DALL-E 2, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion. Now, when it comes to selling AI-generated art, you've got a few options. Customization services. You can offer customization services for AI-generated art and design. Clients can ask for personalized artwork that suits their style. Places like Upwork and Fiverr are great platforms to find clients who are looking for this kind of service. Art licensing. Another avenue is licensing your AI-generated art to businesses. They might want to use your creations in their marketing, advertising, or other creative projects. Platforms like Somerset and Pink Light Studio can help you connect with potential clients. You can also upload your art to stock image platforms like Dreamstime and Vecteezy, and you'll earn a commission when people use your graphics. Prints and merchandise. You can take your AI-generated art a step further by printing it on different mediums like canvas, posters, or clothing. Consider opening an online store to sell these prints and merchandise to art enthusiasts. Number 2, AI-generated content. In the digital age, content is king. Whether you're a blogger trying to keep your audience engaged or a marketer seeking to promote a brand, high-quality content creation is essential. AI-generated content has emerged as a game-changer, providing bloggers and marketers with valuable solutions to meet their content needs. With AI, you can create content much faster and at a fraction of the cost compared to hiring a human writer. You can utilize AI to generate blog posts, newsletters, and social media content. This content can then be monetized through advertising and affiliate marketing. There are many AI tools for content creation. Here I list some of them for you. Copy.ai. Copy.ai is an AI-powered copywriting tool that generates marketing copy, product descriptions, blog posts, and more. Surfer SEO. It is an SEO optimization platform that uses AI to help content creators optimize their articles for search engines. It provides recommendations and suggestions for improving content. Snazzy AI. Snazzy AI is a tool for generating social media captions, headlines, and other short-form content. It uses AI to help marketers and social media managers create engaging content. Before we delve into more opportunities, be sure to like this video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss the latest news and insights in the AI world. Okay, let's continue. Number 3, AI-generated video production. You know what's really grabbed our attention in the age of the internet? Visual storytelling. Videos have an amazing power to connect with people in ways that text and pictures just can't. They can tell a whole story and evoke emotions in mere seconds. That's why they're perfect for getting your brand message across and connecting with your audience. Take YouTube, for instance. With over 2 billion monthly logged-in users, it stands as the second largest search engine globally, right after Google itself. YouTube has evolved from a platform primarily known for entertainment to a hub of knowledge, education, reviews, and marketing. It's a place where businesses can not only showcase their products but also build a community of loyal followers. Then came the rise of short video platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts. These platforms have democratized video creation. They thrive on bite-sized, highly engaging content that can go viral in an instant. Their enormous user bases have made them the go-to places for marketers looking to reach younger, more mobile-centric audiences. Now, thanks to AI, creating high-quality videos from start to finish has become remarkably easy. Here's how it works. First, you need a script. You can write the script using AI writing tools like Jasper and ChatGPT. Once your script is ready, upload it to a text-to-video AI tool like Pictory AI and let the AI work its magic. In just a few minutes, your video will be ready to go. You can upload the video to your channel right away and see the earnings from AdSense and affiliate programs rolling in. Number 4, AI-enhanced chatbots. Customer service isn't what it used to be, stuck in call centers or emails. It's all about instant messaging and real-time help now. Why? Because today's tech-savvy customers want answers, solutions, and help as fast as possible. That's where chatbots step in. These AI-powered helpers are on duty 24/7, handling questions, fixing problems, and giving customers top-notch service. They're often the first point of contact for tons of businesses, delivering quick responses and personalized assistance. Now, here's where the money-making part comes in. Build your own chatbot. If you're tech-savvy and know your way around coding, you can create your chatbot from scratch. You'll use programming languages like Python and frameworks like TensorFlow or Dialogflow. Or, if you prefer an easier route, try no-code or low-code platforms made for chatbot development, such as BotPress, Microsoft Bot Framework, or ChatFuel. Chatbot Analytics. Create tools that help businesses keep tabs on their chatbots. These tools can analyze interactions, track user engagement, and provide reports on how well the chatbot is doing. AI Chatbot Training. If you're a chatbot expert, you can teach others how to create, train, and manage these AI marvels. Offer online courses, workshops, or handy documentation to help businesses and developers level up their chatbot game. Number 5, AI-enhanced e-commerce. E-commerce is now a big part of our lives, and if you're eyeing opportunities to cash in, AI is your golden ticket. I won't delve into starting e-commerce from scratch here, I might cover that in other videos. But I will give you some ideas of how you can leverage AI to supercharge your e-commerce. Product recommendations. You've probably experienced this while shopping online. You're browsing a website, and suddenly, it suggests products that feel like they were plucked from your wish list. These spot-on recommendations are powered by AI algorithms. AI accomplishes this by analyzing the products customers have viewed and purchased, and then it serves up personalized suggestions. Some tools that do this are Voido, Dynamic Yield, and Brilliance. Pricing optimization. Ever noticed how some online prices change? AI can help you with that too. It looks at all sorts of data, like what your competitors are charging and how much demand there is for your products. Then, it suggests the best prices to maximize your profits. Airlines use this trick to set ticket prices. You can find tools like Wiser, Presync, and Omnia Dynamic Pricing for this. Inventory management. Ever stock too much of something that doesn't sell or run out of a bestseller? AI can help you keep just the right amount of stock. It keeps an eye on what's selling and what's not, so you can stock your shelves smarter. This saves money and keeps your customers happy. Tools like TradeGecko and QuickBooks Commerce can help. Predictive analytics. Predicting the future might sound impossible, but AI can come pretty close. It looks at past data to guess what your customers will want next. Big retailers like Walmart use this to plan ahead. You can find tools like Trendalytics, KiaText, and Crimson Hexagon for this. AI-generated content. Need help with product descriptions or reviews? AI can generate content for you, saving time and effort. Tools like ChatGPT, WriteSonic, and Shortly AI can assist with this. Number 6, AI-powered data scraping. In today's data-driven world, information is currency, and businesses are constantly seeking ways to gain a competitive edge. One of the essential tools in their arsenal is data scraping, the process of extracting valuable information from websites and online sources. Data scraping holds immense importance in various industries for a multitude of reasons. Firstly, it plays a pivotal role in market research. Businesses use data scraping to collect information on competitors, market trends, and consumer behavior. This wealth of data is invaluable for making informed strategic decisions and staying ahead in a rapidly evolving landscape. Secondly, data scraping is a valuable tool for lead generation. It helps identify potential customers and leads by gathering contact information and understanding their preferences. This allows businesses to tailor their marketing efforts more effectively, ultimately driving sales. For e-commerce businesses, data scraping is essential for price monitoring. They can track prices and product availability on competitor websites in real time, enabling them to adjust their own pricing strategies for maximum competitiveness. Media companies also rely on data scraping to aggregate content. By collecting news articles, blog posts, and other relevant information from various sources, they can provide comprehensive coverage to their audiences. Financial analysts and investors benefit from data scraping by accessing real-time financial data and stock market insights, which are crucial for making informed investment decisions. But how can you make money using AI in data scraping? Here I will give you some ideas. Data as a service, DaaS. You can create a database to store the data you've already scraped and offer it as a subscription-based model. Users will need to pay to access valuable, regularly updated data in your database. Custom data solutions. You can specialize in providing customized data scraping solutions for companies. By tailoring the services to specific industry needs, you can command higher fees. Data monetization. You can also monetize the data you've scraped by selling insights, reports, or datasets to interested parties, such as researchers, marketers, or government agencies. Training data. AI models require extensive training data, and you can focus on gathering and selling high-quality training data to AI developers. AI-enhanced social media marketing. Social media marketing has come a long way and is now the go-to for digital advertising. It's where businesses connect with their audience, spread the word about their brand, and turn clicks into customers. But with a never-ending stream of data and social platforms that change very quickly, it can be a wild ride for marketers. Enter AI, a technological powerhouse that thrives on data analysis, pattern recognition, and automation. AI has introduced a new level of precision and efficiency to social media marketing, and its impact is far-reaching. One shining example is Hootsuite, a comprehensive social media management platform that harnesses AI to simplify and enhance marketing efforts. Here's how AI is revolutionizing social media marketing. Content scheduling. AI algorithms in platforms like Hootsuite can analyze data on the best times to post on various social media channels. This ensures that content reaches the maximum audience at optimal times, increasing engagement and visibility. Audience insights. AI-powered tools can provide deep insights into the demographics, interests, and behaviors of a brand's social media audience. This knowledge helps marketers tailor their content to specific target groups. Ad campaign optimization. AI can optimize social media ad campaigns by analyzing performance data and making real-time adjustments to target the most receptive audience segments. Sentiment analysis. AI can analyze social media sentiment, helping businesses gauge public opinion and adapt their strategies accordingly. Content recommendations. AI can suggest content topics and formats that are likely to resonate with the target audience, aiding in content creation. Competitive analysis. AI can track and analyze the strategies of competitors on social media, providing valuable insights to refine marketing approaches. Performance analytics. AI-powered analytics tools can generate comprehensive reports on social media performance, helping marketers measure the impact of their efforts and make data-driven decisions. By using the power of AI in your social media marketing strategy, you can streamline your work, make sure your content hits the right people at just the right moment, and ultimately increase your earnings. The world of AI is bursting with potential, and it's ready to supercharge your business. Whether you're just starting out, running a small business, or leading the charge in your industry, there's a treasure trove of possibilities waiting for you. So, why wait? Take the plunge into the AI universe, tap into its superpowers, and watch your business soar to incredible heights. If you've made it this far in the video, drop a comment saying 100% to let us know you've been absorbing all the information we've shared. For more AI insights, check out our other videos. We've got a bunch of AI content that you might find interesting. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.